Hello, Amit. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, Praveen, for you?
Yes, sir, I can see.
Okay. Now, this topic I started. Okay, and in this topic I discuss types of views. Okay, database view, DB view we can call. Then projection view, second view. Okay, third view is maintenance view. Maintenance view. Fourth view is help view. I think only one it is completed. I think. Okay, one is DB view is completed. Correct? DB. Okay. For DB view, there is no need package, but even we can check that package. Okay. Let's see. Last class I created even same SC8 I created. Okay. Under that package creation I explained. Package creation. Let me show that. Okay. What are the objects we created last session? I can easily identify by using this script. Okay. This package. Okay, SC80. If I want to reactivate, or if I want to recheck once again, I can check those objects by clicking this package. Okay, using SE80 is a code, object navigator. So object navigator, I created my package Ganga. Under that, if you observe now, it's here. Last class one database table I moved to package. Okay, this is a ZGR is the table name. The same way for the same data tables or some other two tables I used a view. Okay, database. You can see here Ganga is the package name. Okay, Ganga. Under that I used two tables. One is GR customer, this customer. Only I moved only this table. This table is in still this table is in still in temp only. Okay, temp one. If I want to move this one also, just go to select the table or any table, which one ZGR cells. Open the one more session. Now that is in under non-package. Okay, non-package means temporary package. Enter the table name. Click on display button. Here we have attributes option. Okay, attributes option. You can see here. I told you one point. Temporary objects is nothing but never transported. Okay, never. These objects are not transportable. For that, what you have to select this one. Okay, this one, this package. Here you have an option. Is there? Go to option. Under the technical, sorry, object in direct entry. Okay, object direct entry. Then it will pop up like this. It is in display mode. It is in display mode. Display object direct entry. Click on change. Sorry. Click on change. Okay, then it will come to the change mode. Then you can see this particular $tmp. Remove this $tmp. Enter your own package name. Any package name. This is perfect interview question. They will ask. Okay, my report is under $tmp. Okay, package. My package in $tmp. How to change to customized package? Your own package. Okay, this type of question they will ask. Okay, in any screen, either report, either form, either tables, anything. Procedure is same. The way of doing procedure is same. The request creation is also same as it is. Okay, the same request number. If I don't want this request number, this is related to database request. Database. Now I want another create table request. This is my new request. This is separate request for this table. Table request. Click on continue. So the new request has come. New request. This topic I covered last class, I think. Let me reactivate once again. So now it is updated this latest package. Come back. I'll go to SC80. Come back here. refresh here. Now you can observe now here one table is there, it will come another table now. Okay, yes, here. Now my package contains two tables, one database. Next onwards, I will create projection view, maintenance view, help view, different views I can create it. Then all objects, all development objects will be saved under. If it is view, it will be stored under view. If it is table, it will be stored under table. If it is a report, it will be saved under separate folder. Like that, we will save it all development objects. This is easy to identify your technical names, okay, and as well as reactivate or rechecking, okay, rerun, okay, all we can easily find out by using, okay, by using package. Next, now I am going to explain the projection view. Okay, projection view. Okay, the concept name is projection view. Second one. Okay, projection. What is the meaning of database view? Means database view means we can join by using multiple database tables, and we can display the data from one table another table. For these tables, I discussed with the primary key and as well as foreign key, and both tables we joined here and we displayed here the join condition. Here join, okay, that is we can call database. Projection means from one single table entries. Like example, this is one single table. Let me take now here standard database table like LFE1. This is standard database table. This is a standard database table. In this standard table, almost 140 plus fields are there. I don't want to use all 140 fields. Okay, I have to take it from only. Okay, I have to take only from out of 140. I have to take it only limited. Okay, then that is you can call filtering. Okay, then only from out of 120, I will take it only 4 fields. So 4 fields. That we can call the database view. Sorry, projection view. Projection view means you are just restricting the remaining all fields, just only selecting only 4 fields. You are projecting the fields and you are displaying the data from only 4 fields only. It won't show all 150. Normally table contains 150, 140 plus. But I need only 4 ones, only 4 I can display. Only 4 I can display. Okay, for that, I am going to create the steps, step by step. Projection view steps. Okay, projection view steps. Okay. Let me show step by step here. Restricting the fields. Okay, table is ready like that only. Table is. Okay, virtually I am creating one more table. That table I am calling single table. That table is not multiple tables. This is multiple tables. View is multiple tables. Okay, you can choose multiple tables. Not only those 2, 3 also can select it. Okay, 3 also can select. Okay, now let's come back. Steps. Okay, steps to create the projection view. Okay, steps to create projection. Okay, go to SE11. Okay, go to SE11. Enter the table name. Enter the database table name. Okay, enter here. Sorry, not table. View name. Okay, enter here. New name. ZPROJ. Our projection also can give any name. Start with Z compulsory. And click on the create button. Click on create button. This is projection is already existed. I think it is somebody is created. I think. Let me check here. Z projection. Okay. Somebody is created on BBRP table. Okay, no issue. I can change it. My naming conventions. ZGR projection. Click on create button. Click on create button. This name we are calling projection view. This name we are calling projection view. Click copy option. Okay, click copy. Okay, description, that is projection view. Okay, basis table. Okay, which table you are using? The table name. Okay, I told you here. Table name is LFA1. I can use this table name only. I can. Otherwise, you can browse here tables. What are the tables are there? Those tables also you can take it. You can take from information system. Under that, if you enter the LFA1, okay, immediately that table only will come. You can search. Okay, you can using search also you can display. Enter the table name and click on table fields. From this only one table I am going to select table fields. It will show here. It will show here all the fields. See, land one, name one. I need war city. I need address field. I need some postal code. Okay, I selected only 5 fields. I selected. Click on copy. Okay, click on copy. Okay, now if I click copy here, okay, now if I click copy here, all 6 fields are copied here. Total 6 fields are copied here. Okay, click on save first. Package. Okay, click on save. Save it into package. Now it is saved. Only one table I told you. Only basis table is nothing but only one table. Okay, it won't allow any other tables. Then click on check the errors. View allows, view ignores. Okay, click on allow. Okay. This is warning only. There is no error here. If you observe now here, see, we ignores the client dependent. The view is client data is missing. Okay, like view allows only read only. Okay, maintenance not part. Like that, it will show that particular information. Here, I did not select the first field. That's why it is giving a an error. See, now it will go to that error also. It will go. So only. So mandate. The position is related to basis table. Cannot be exchanged. Why? Why tell me? Because here I used here. Okay, it should be in this position. This position. This should be in this one. In this position. Sorry. Mandate. Then only it will allow. Yeah. Mandate I can remove it. Okay, now if I check it here, okay, that whatever error I got it, that error also, and maintenance, okay, remaining yellow error also it has come because of that field. Standards tables is having client related field. Client is nothing but for which client you are working. Okay, is it 800 client or 810 client or 900? Okay, like 100 client or 120 client or 130 client. Which client you are working, the details you can call. Okay, this client number. Now save it, check, then activate. Then click on activate. Okay, once if you click activate, either click either yes, either no. If you click yes, it will show that here no issues, but still it is showing log. Okay, because of some system related that one. Okay, no need to worry about this log because there is no log here, there is no error here, there is no warning here, there is nothing here. Status, any status. Come back. Come back. To avoid that type of errors also you can do it. There is no extras here. Okay, there is no extras option. Change. Okay, for that you cannot do anything that for that type of issues. So just activate. If you now it is activated. Before I got that error, but now no error. Okay, no status, nothing. Then I have to run this particular table. I have a projection. Okay, to check the data in projection, okay, go to utilities. Here you have content option. Okay, content option. click on content. Click on content. Then number of entries. Okay, number of entries. Okay, number of entries. 2295. Okay, 2295. Total database records. Okay, it may be lakhs also, but just now it is only 2295. It is there. Now if I execute here all the records, it will show clearly with a only table format. Let's see. LAFNR, land 1, name 1, what is 01, postal code and address number. Address number. Let's observe now standard table. Same LFA1 table. Same LFA1 table. C11. C11. Select the view table name LFE1. Click on display button. Click on display button. Say how many fields are there in database? 146 are there. Okay, 146. Using table content, the display option, the number of entries, then execute. You can see here now all fields, all columns. Fields means here column. Field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4. You can see here all columns are there. But out of these all, I selected only LFNR, land 1, name 1. You can see that output. You can see only this field I selected, second field I selected, this field I selected, this field. Like this, whatever, like name 2 I did not select. See, name 2 is not there. Then city I selected. Okay, city. You can see city somewhere here. Okay, city I selected. City field. And like that, you can filter by using city 2 is not selected. Okay, another city. So only whatever you select, those fields will be appeared under output. Okay, that concept we are calling projection view. Okay, projection view means you are projecting, okay, from database to front end. This is a runtime object. If you run, say now, if you execute it, it will work. Otherwise, there is no physical entry here. If there is no physical entry, you are not going to see the physical table here. This is not physical table. This is virtual table. This is virtual table. Only runtime it is coming, and runtime also it is going. Runtime also it is. After runtime, it won't show. Okay, it won't show in database. Okay, that's why I told you last class definition. The view is nothing but a virtual. It is a runtime object. Whenever you run the view, then it will pop up the value. Okay, then that concept we are calling data views. Okay, that concept we are calling views. Okay, this is about the projection view. Okay, projection. Any doubts? Okay, next. Yeah, Amit. Okay, good. Next, this is very important concept. Maintenance view. Okay, maintenance view. The maintenance view. So what is the use of maintenance view? Like last time I explained for you table, standard table and customized tables differences. Standard tables, I have shown you the status of the data browser is what they maintain, yet display maintenance allowed with restrictions. Okay, if it is restrictions, now can you create any material, any vendors or material data or any data here? Vendor, this is vendor table. I am not, okay, going to create any vendor data. Why? Because here it is restrictions are there. Restrictions are there. Meaning I am going to show that particular option. Utilities, table contents. Okay, you can see here. Okay, you can see here. Display. SAP entries. Okay, SAP entries is not here. Okay, sir, create entries is not there. SAP is not allowing. Okay, only display is there. Let me check how many number of entries. 2295 entries are the total. Now I have to enter another 100 records or 1000 records for the same table. How to create the 1000 records for standard table? Okay, let me show the customized table here. This is a customized table. For customized table, what is the status? What is the status? Data browser maintenance allowed. Here we enter that one. That's why we can create our own entries as per your requirement. Create entries is highlighted and display is also highlighted. Okay, both actions are highlighted here. If you want, you can create your own data. Okay, n number of data. Okay, n number of entries you can create it. Okay, now that is only my requirement. Now I cannot create the entries for the standard table. How to create it? By using maintenance view. By using maintenance view. Means first you have to create the maintenance view, then you have to generate the table maintenance generator. Here, what I am trying to say, let me start view. This is LFA1 Mara. These tables are restricted. Restricted for create entries. Create entries. Okay, entries. For that, using view, using maintenance, we can create fields and we can generate table maintenance generator. Table maintenance generator. Okay, this option will do it. Okay, how to do this one? Okay. Table maintenance generator, we can create it and we can maintain the entries. The procedure I will explain. Using this table maintenance generator, we can create the entries. Okay, go to here, steps. Go to SC11. Any table, any existing table only you can take. Better LFA1 only can take it, or any table. Whatever table, the table is having, all tables is having restriction, same. Okay, now this is another view. Okay, third view. That view we are calling maintenance view steps. Steps to create maintenance view. Go to ZGR maintain. Okay, go to ZGR and maintain. Okay, click on create button. Okay, click on create button. Select here the maintenance view. Select here maintenance. Click on copy. Click on copy. Immediately it look like same as it is projection database view only. Okay, projection view is different. Database view only this is. You have to enter here database. Okay, name. What is the use of this one? This is maintenance view for LFA1 database table. LF1 database table. In database view, we selected two tables, but in maintenance view, I'll select only one table. Why? Tell me. I have to create only for this table only. I don't want Mara table. I don't want any other table. Only for one table, I need bulk records. Okay, I need bulk records. I don't want many records. I need only one table. Bulk records I have to create it. That's what I will select only one single table. Select the table name. Okay, LFA1. And click on enter. Okay, click on enter. The table is selected here. Okay, the table is selected. Go to view fields. We go to view fields. We go to view fields. Under view fields, if you observe now, mandatory fields by default, if you open here LFA1, come back. See here, how many keys are there here? Two primary keys. Okay, two primary keys. These two primary keys will come mandatory by default. These two are keys. The keys will come automatically by default. If you want, you can delete it also, but one key should be there. That key is nothing but vendor related. This key, if you don't want, you can remove it. Okay, continue. Now by default, two fields has come. Now I'm going to select here remaining fields. Some fields from database. Table fields. Okay, table fields. Land 1, name 1, city, postal code. The postal code. Copy. The copy. The copy. Okay, now I selected 5 total 6 fields. From 6 fields I can activate here. Yeah. Package is mandatory. That's why I created before package only. If you won't save into package, if you save it into local object, this maintenance view it won't work. Okay, next steps. Compulsory package should be there. That's why I created package and initial class itself. Now you have to maintain package here. Don't select local object. Enter the package and click on save. Enter the package and click on save. Here, if you observe now here, your request name will come, your request number it will come. You click on continue. You click on continue. Then click on continue. Okay, now this is the maintenance view related information. The maintenance view related. All fields are selected here. Four, 5, 6 fields are selected. Now ready. But if I want to see this data, runtime data, it won't work. For maintenance view, it won't work. If you see here, if you click here, utility is under table contents or contents. Okay, it will show that is one message. No database view exists for GR maintain. So you cannot able to see the data or edit the data. Nothing. For that, what you will do? You will create one new concept name called table maintenance generator. Okay, maintenance generator. That is generate table maintenance or table maintenance generator. That concept is another one. For that, we have to go to here table maintenance generator. Here I done. For maintenance view, we cannot see the data directly. For maintenance view, we cannot see the data directly using content option. For database view, projection view you can see, but for maintenance view and help you cannot see. Okay, go to utilities and content. It won't show. For that, we have to create here one concept name called table maintenance generator. Table maintenance generator. Okay, click on table maintenance generator. You can specify this table maintenance generator information. Authorization group. Okay, authorization. Okay, authorization group. Okay, here authorization group is nothing but why? Okay, who is going to use this particular table maintenance generator? Like for them, we will give some authorizations. Like some group of people, so we'll give some authorizations. Okay, in industry, this authorization group is created by the basis team, basis consultant. Okay, they will create it. Okay, they will create it. But as a developer, just we can use it existing name. Okay, as a developer, we can use existing name. Now here, existing names are not are developed by SAP only. That's what I can just browse the data. That's it. Okay, this is here. Almost 500 plus entries are there in the database. Okay, we never touch any other standard related information. These all are standard for each one and application. For related, SD related, tech sales, the production, HTTP list, BW purpose, CMS purpose, control. So many they already maintained here. Just your work is just browse that one and use here without authorization group. Okay, without authorization. Okay, without authorization group. Okay. Click on continue. Okay, you have to select this authorization group. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. Then authorization group is selected here. Now it is asking function group. Okay, why that one only means because nobody is created for our authorization group. That's why I selected that one. Next, function group is nothing but write down one more point. Function group is a folder. Function group, it is a folder. To save table maintenance generator, we can use function group. It is also same as it is package, but this is separate. This is separate. These concepts you will learn in coming sessions. Function group step. So function group, it is a folder. Function group is a folder. Okay, to save development objects, we can use this function group. That function group name also should be started with a Z. ZGR group. Okay, ZGR group. ZGR group. Enter.
The function group is a folder.
Function group is a folder to save develop table maintenance generators, to generate or to save table maintenance generators, and as well as maintenance view related information. Maintenance view related information. This is table maintenance generator. This one we are going to save under function group, and under that function group, okay, the same function group, we are going to save the maintenance view name. The maintenance view name. Both. Okay, this concept once again, this function group technically, okay, one transaction code is a separate transaction code. Okay, using the transaction code we can create it, but now I'll show the for basic understanding purpose. This is a SE37. We can call function builder. Okay, we can call function builder. Let's observe now here. Here we have an option. Okay, go to option. Under that, here we have one option is this here function groups. Okay, this is a create group. Actually, this is the way to create the function group name. Function group. That concept in programming level I will discuss, that is in coming classes. For time being now, just enter any name, start with Z and enter this name. Okay. So I mean that much is not important now, but in middle of the portion that is very important. That time I will repeat it. Okay. If I won't enter, then it won't allow to share. It won't allow to share. It is mandatory. Okay, it is mandatory field. Okay, that's why you have to enter any group name and enter. We have two types of views. Okay, two types of maintenance. You can maintain by using maintenance one-step procedure and maintenance two-step procedure. Okay, two-step procedure is nothing but your table creation only. Let's see. Okay, customized tables we already worked, 2-3 tables or 4 tables we already worked in this. Okay, the last session you can see. Okay, this is a customized table. I opened one more session. This is our session. Let's keep like this only. So now I am going to open the SC11 screen. Let me run once again. SC11. Enter your table, customized table, any table, either GR customer, any table. Click on change button. Click on change button. What is two-step procedure? I am explaining first. Okay. Utilities. Okay, utilities. Table contents. Okay, create entries is first step. Display is second step. Meaning two-step procedure means here why SAP has given two-step procedure means two steps we can see the data. First step is utilities, table contents, create entries is step 1, display is display is created. Let me show the create entries once again. Any record I will show, any name, save it. Now I created one record. This record is saved here. If I want to see the data, this is step 1 is over. Now I'll go back. Then I can see the data by using display. This is step 2, execute. Okay, I can use the data. But now what I am doing here, without these two steps, first step is create, next step is display. Without two steps, I can select here only one step. I have to view the data there only. After save, immediately I have to see the data. That is one step procedure I am using. Okay, one step. In real also for maintenance views, always one step only better. If it is two-step procedure, then once again time consuming procedure. Okay, don't use the two-step procedure. Okay, always use the single step procedure. We always run the single step only. That's what one step. Okay, one step. Then select the overview. If it is single screen, select the overview screen is 9000. Okay, select the overview screen is 9000. Okay, meaning if it is single screen, only overview screen we can select. Only overview screen we can select it. That is we can call 9000 series. Any number 9000, 9001, 9002 up to 9099. If it is two step, this is we are calling. Okay, this is also on questioning single step. If it is two-step procedure, there is two steps. Okay, we will use here single screen, and we can use here overview screen, both. Okay, overview screen. Two we can use it. Single screen is one number, one screen number, 9000. For overview screen is also 9001. Okay, like that. We'll use the two screen numbers separately. Okay, two screen numbers separately for two-step procedure. Okay, this is now I'm explaining this procedure, overview screen procedure. Only one, this only will follow. So that's what. Let me select here overview screen. Okay, overview screen. If it is two-step, select the two-step and enter any number. Any number you can enter, no problem. And click create button. Both are same, procedure is same. Okay, only output is different. Okay, now for this I don't want it. Okay, one step. Then click here, directly create option. Okay, create option. The package is mandatory. Compulsory you have to assign the package. Then only it will allow continue. Then it is generating on request number. Keep it same request number. Continue. Then once again it is asking. So many times it will ask the package. Just enter. Then system will generate here. See, updating where used list. It is generating. See, 30% is over, 40%. Like that. It will update database and it will activate the table maintenance generator. Understand? Okay. Now see here, request is completed without errors. Okay, request is completed without errors. Now step is done, maintenance generator step is done. Then how to use it, that we have to know. Come back, okay, click back button. The back button. You click back. Now table is ready, maintenance, okay, maintenance view is ready, table maintenance is also okay, ready. Now I'll go to the utilities. If I click content now, let's see, it will work. Before I got error, okay, before I got error. Now it is working. See now how many entries are there in this one maintenance view? 2295. Let's observe now your table also. LF1 table. How many entries are there? It will show clearly. Let's see here. How many entries are there? 2295. This is table. This is view. Okay, this is view. Now for this table, you cannot create the entries. For this table, you cannot create the entries because of okay not allocated. Now here we can create it. How to create? Now my requirement is 10 records. I have to create it for the same table. 10 records in a single step. Otherwise 100 records I have to create it in a single step. How to create 100 records or 20 records or 100 records, okay, thousands of records. To create those one, first you have to understand the procedure first. Okay, okay. We'll maintain in Excel sheet. Otherwise you can copy like that. You can copy like that. I will copy this one. Then here is in display mode. I'll copy some 10 records from here. 10 or okay, let me copy 10 around 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 I copied here. Then I'll go to in change mode. You go to here change mode. Change mode means now we will get one option. Okay, new entries option. See, we'll get the new entries option. So once if you get the new entries option, then you can easily create the entries, new entries. Click on new entries. Now copy whatever records you selected, that you can copy it. Same data is copied, but this is for your understanding I copied, but in real time the data is different. Okay, real time data is different. Now let's see V1, V2, V3. I'm going to change some information also. V4, V5, V6. As per my sequence I am going to create here. V7, V8, V9, V10. Okay, or otherwise V10. Okay, like this. I entered. Okay, here if it is one country, also you can enter any country related information. Otherwise, leave it blank. Phone number, postal code, all you can enter. At a time, you can create it. If I want another 10 records, another 10 also I can select it. Another 10 also I can select it. I can copy the same data. I can repeat here same data. Another time I can just paste it here. Then rename it here 11. Okay,
So
11. Yeah.
in this, we are entering. We are able to enter the data, right? So
Correct.
we are creating the new entries. So this
Correct.
data gets added to the database, or is it only
Correct.
for you?
That only you can see now. Okay, that is compulsory. It should be added into the database because the okay using this one, the main advantage is table maintain generator. You are creating the entries to the database table. Okay, view is runtime only. You create a runtime, but entries are in database. It will be saved in the database. If you okay, save option is there, compulsory it will save. Let's see. Let me show that. Okay, some entries I have to change it. 21.
11.
Okay, 11. 11, 12. Okay, I have to change all. Maybe 12 because I copied all. Okay, this is mainly for testing purpose. It will be useful. Why means because in testing server, if it is there no data, okay, you need some 100 records for testing purpose. Then you cannot enter one record. Okay, that time it is useful to load the data at a time 100 records or 1000 records or okay, 2000. But if it is 10,000 to 20,000, you cannot load okay, 10,000 like that. Why? Just that is procedure is different. BDC is there. Okay, save it. Now you can observe now here total 19 entries are copied here. total 19. First see the what is the entries for this table, LFA1 table. Okay, 2002. See now, before 2000 something 99 was there something. Let's see. Okay, no 95. Let's see all the 19 entries. All the 295 correct. 295. All the 19 entries are okay added. Let me check now. Save it. Back. Okay, back. Now I'll go to the content option. Content option. If I check here 2334. All entries has come. Now if I check this database table, all entries are updated or not, just now I have shown you. Okay, here. Okay, here all entries, number of entries, total 2034. But what is my entry? What is the name of the entry? V1 to V20 something V21 I created. Only V1 to V21 whatever okay we entered, that it will be shown here. Why all entries are showing here? Search criteria is different, I think. V1 to V9 first let me display. Correct. Okay, see here. Okay, V1 to V9 if we display, that is the search criteria is working differently. Okay, that's why okay, it will show now. Okay, total 19 entries and one extra entry also somebody is created V300. Sorry, 3000. Okay, vendor plant. Okay, this is the entry. Okay, now if I don't want V3000, let's see. V3000. Execute. Okay, if I don't want here, I'll click on the display change mode. V3000. Let me delete here. Even delete action also you can do it. Now save it. Okay, let's observe now here 313. Immediately data should be updated in database also. Let's go to here. Okay, now if I refresh here, how many entries are here? 20 entries are there. This is all my series. Now I refresh. You can see here. How many entries are here? Now 19, which I entered before screen. Okay. Now if I check like total entries from database, total entries from database, execute 2313, same way 200, 300, 1, okay, 1, okay, 13, 213. This is the way to maintain the okay, information for the standard tables, customized tables, or any type of database table by using this particular option that we can call maintenance view. Okay, maintenance view with the table maintenance generator. Table maintenance. Okay, Praveen, any doubt, Amit?
No, sir.
Okay. This is which scenario you can work out means because in our systems like in development system and quality system, okay, sometimes no data will exist in those particular systems. Empty system you will get it. For your practical for testing purpose, you have to maintain some data in development system also and quality system also. So that time you cannot enter manually one record. Okay, one record if you want to enter, it will take so much time. For that, if it is 10 records or 100 records or 1000 records, okay, you can maintain in Excel. Okay, somebody will give you that Excel sheet. Just copy that Excel data, just paste it one by one in okay, maintenance view and save. Okay, save all 1000 records or 200 records or 100 records. It will get saved into the database. Okay, this is the procedure to create a maintenance view. Okay, to create maintenance. Very important frequently which you can use it and okay, for freshers freshers level and experience level both okay, they will ask interview question compulsory. Okay, click it for any table. Okay, for any table you can create it for any table. Why I created this maintenance? Because for restriction purpose I created, for restriction purpose, restricting the fields. But if I create directly for table, okay, for table, let's see what will happen. This is the table. This is a table. If I run this table with the table maintenance generator, all 140 plus fields it will be created. Then that many fields I cannot enter. Okay, that many fields I don't want for my project purpose. Okay, that's why we have to create. Understood my point here? Here. Even you can create separately for directly database table also. But what will happen database table if you create? All 146 related fields, columns will be created for standard tables. So instead of 146 fields, I selected limited fields here. For these fields only I created table maintenance generator. But if you create here for standard, yeah, that's I have shown you. Same procedure, table maintenance generator, same procedure you can use it, same method authorization, and enter the function group, enter the one step, and you can load the data for the standard table also, the standard table. But that is not our requirement. Okay, this is a okay like maintenance view wise. If you create it, exact data you can load it in database. Okay, database. This is the difference between the table maintenance generator and table maintenance with maintenance view with a table maintenance generator. Table maintenance generator. What customized tables you can use it. Okay, for customized tables, what will happen? Easy to navigate. Only 5 fields are there. Only 5 fields only can create it. Customized tables easy. Standard tables we need best maintenance way is best. Now this is ready. Okay. Now final name that we are calling help view. Okay, help view. Here we can create only help view, but usage will be different. That in coming sessions you will understand the help view. Okay, this is a help view option. Okay, all 3 views completed: database view, collection, maintenance, help view. Okay, help view we can use it. Okay, this is no use in here in this concept. This we can use it in search help. We can use it in search help. This is separate concept. What is the meaning of search help means? To find out the values F4. Okay, this is to find out the values, to find out database values. Database. How to use it? That concept, separate concept. Maybe tomorrow class I will discuss with the structures related. Next coming classes I will discuss this related concept. That time I will repeat this step, no problem. Help you now for procedure wise I am coming. That's why I am going to complete help you in this class only. Okay, this step we will discuss in coming class. Okay, third or next to second class or third class this week. Now go to procedure. Go to help you. Okay, go to steps to create help you. Go to SC11. Very easy. Okay, only one step only. Okay, it is very easy. Enter here ZGR help. Okay, ZGR help. Enter the view name. Click on create button. Okay, click on create. Select the database projection element help view. Okay, select the help. All 3 system will help you. Click on create. Look like same. Okay, same procedure database. But you can see here table selection and join definitions only possible via relations. If you want to create multiple tables, you can create multiple. Only single table entries you can create single table. Multiple entries means you have to enter first table primary key. Then if you select the relationship, then second table will come. Second table. Now I am going to create here only one entry based on vendor master table. The table name is LFA1. 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 Okay, it will show here. There are so many relationships. If it is It will show all the lists, but I don't want the second table. Let's see this table. I don't want relationship, just only one table is enough. Go to view fields. Okay, go to view fields. Okay, default it's like same like a projection view only. It's the same like projection view. Okay, by default two fields, primary key fields has come. Then click on table fields. Okay, click on table. Here it will appear here. Land one, name one, what is 01, postal code, post box. Click on copy. Click on copy. N number of fields you can select it here. Better you can keep it mandate also. Mandate also. If you don't want, you can remove this mandate. Mandate is nothing but a client related information, client number. Okay. Now if I check this one, mandate error only will get it. Save it into package compulsory. You can see here. Now if I check the errors, okay, no error it is coming. Okay, no error. Then activate here. Okay, click on activate. Continue. Okay, click on continue. If you see here, okay, this table is active. See now this is help view. For help view, no content, no table maintenance generated. Okay, no content and no table maintenance. Both it won't work both. See, both it won't work here. Why? Because this concept is totally different. The way of usage is different. Okay, that's why here you cannot use it. For tables, compulsory database view. Yeah. Okay, for this database view. Okay, it will work. Okay, let me open that one. Database view or maintenance view. See. Now here you can see here, this is assign authorization group is there. Assign table maintenance generator group. Okay. Assign contents, all are there. But for help view, we don't have the option. Table maintenance generator is not there. Content are not there. Then what is the use of this one means you have to explain. Okay, this we can use it in search help. This search help is to get the list of values from database. Okay, list of values from database. That okay explanation you have to do for interview. Okay, questions wise, all are four questions, and table maintenance is another question. 5 questions you can expect from this particular topic. Okay, minimum 5 questions. Okay, database table also. Okay, any doubt? Praveen, Amit? Okay, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Okay, what I'll do? This topic you can practice today. Okay, you try for this table maintenance generator for the Mara table. So Mara means material, actually, which we can use frequently. Material master table, Mara. Okay, and as well as purchase orders, we never do that one. Purchase orders related, all it will be created by end users. Even that also you can try, no issue. Okay, EKKO, end user means consultant. They will create EKKO, purchase order data. We try to create here the same. Okay, this is Mara for entries maintenance view. For the same tables, you can try for the projection for same tables. Okay, same tables. So this is one example for the maintenance view. This is another example for maintenance view. Same examples for the projection view also. But this help view I can discuss once again. I'll repeat it in coming session. That time, okay, once again you will learn the concept. Okay, because that time I will use 2 help views, okay, separate help views. Then I will create it. I'll show it. For time being now, you can practice these 2 tables, any tables, any list, a list of the tables. You can take it and you can practice. And tomorrow class, okay, what I'll do, I will create it here. Concept name is enhancement. Okay, enhancement. That enhancement we can call structure. Okay, structure. What is the use of structure? Okay, what is how to add the structure? How to add the fields for standard database table? These all concepts I am going to explain tomorrow. Enhancement. Okay, enhancement. Okay, enhancing the table, enhancing the any fields from the standard tables. These all concepts tomorrow I will cover it. Important question. Many projects they will ask enhancement related how to add the fields. how to add the standard data field for standard table. This type of question then you may expect from this table. So two types of structures are there. So one is include structure, another one is dot append structure. These two tomorrow class I will be covering, and if still for time permits, domain and data element related also I will cover. Then next coming class, set shelf I will be covering. Set shelf. Under the set shelf, the shelf view I can use it. Then by next class, okay, ABAP dictionary related all questions, okay, all the concepts. Means today is the Monday only. Okay, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I try to cover the remaining concepts in ABAP. Then separate one class, okay, one more class, separate one class. I will explain all the theoretical related points. What is table, what is view, what is structure, all the theoretical related interview questions. I'll take it separately. Okay, I'll take it separately. Okay. We'll concentrate on it. Okay. Next three classes, I'm going to complete with this ABAP dictionary concepts. Okay, concepts. Now I'll stop it today class. Tomorrow